Good evening and thanks so much for joining us. I'm Jennifer ABNEY.
And I'm Rob Macco. It was cleanup day for some Fayette County residents after heavy rains yesterday caused flash flooding. And
as 13 News reporter Cassidy Wood found out, residents are both frustrated and concerned.
Rob and Jennifer, frustrated is the word that many residents I spoke with in this neighborhood today use. Now, at 5 o'clock, I showed you guys a couple roads in this neighborhood that just had water completely over them. Well, now I wanted to show you guys a bridge that got completely just washed away right here. So the vehicles and people living in this area can't get out right here, and they have to go all the way around. And the reason for the amount of frustration they're feeling right now is because this isn't the first time it's flooded like this, and now they're demanding action.
I didn't think it was going to be quite this bad.
Roads still covered in water, construction crews still working. All of this the aftermath of yesterday's storm in the Minden Oak Hill area.
So flood damage in itself is not good for health, but you're talking about feces now and other soil material on top of the PCBs that are getting washed up in an area that's already getting flooded anytime it rains. So this in itself is not good.
In addition to water sitting in places it shouldn't be, one resident says this PCB oil was found on a lawn.
All of this stuff is running out and running down through there and down through Minden and down to the river.
I mean, you can get skin infections if you have any open sores. You're talking about any skin infections, cellulitis.
Dr. AYNE says there's been a flooding problem here for far too long, and she's concerned because of the health dangers this presents.
You're talking about getting any type of contamination in your body because you're walking around bacteria.
Plus, it's not an ideal time to have a flooding problem.
And we're in COVID as well, so not only did these Minden residents have to be walking around in sewer waste and disgusting things, you had to move them to a shelter last night, which I don't even know the living conditions of that right now. I haven't been there yet. I don't know if they had masks there. You're putting people, forget about social distancing, so we had to move these people to a place during a pandemic.
So as you can see, a lot of frustration felt among these residents right now, which is why they're demanding city and state officials to come out and help them with their drainage and sewage problems. In Fayette County, Cassidy Wood, 13 News, working for you.